We are now the proud owner of one of America's most legendary supercars, the 2006 Ford GT. One of only 541 ever built in tungsten gray, fully optioned from the factory and showing just over 400 miles since new. Every sticker, every tag, every detail, still exactly how it left the factory floor in 2006. So, how did we end up with one of the most preserved Ford GTs in existence? This Ford GT was purchased brand new in 2006 by its original owner, Jim, also known as Grumpy. But not the kind of grumpy you'd mess with. A tough old school car guy who knew exactly what he had, which his Ford GT was ordered with every available factory option. The BBS forged wheels, red Brembo brakes, silver racing stripes, and the McIntosh premium audio system. From the very beginning, he knew this wasn't just another car. It was an investment in American performance history. He drove it only a handful of times before he covered it with the original car cover, and it never moved again. When we got the call, we knew this was something special. A one-owner Ford GT, tungsten gray, untouched, unmodified, and perfectly preserved. It had waited in silence for years. Once the cover was off, the car gleamed under the light. The same machine that carried the spirit of the Ford GT40, the car that conquered Le Mans, still wearing its original factory stickers like badges of honor. After years of resting in a private West Virginia garage, this GT finally saw daylight once again, awakening to join the No Reserve Classics collection. One of only 541 ever built in tungsten gray, showing just over 400 miles and preserved beyond belief. This isn't just a car. It's American engineering, legacy, and perfection, all wrapped in one masterpiece. This is the 2006 Ford GT. This is where its next chapter begins.